To see the big picture, it can help to look really closely. Plankton are puny earthlings. Algae can be too small to even spot on their own, but together they refresh the entire atmosphere. Like floating forests in the ocean, they absorb light energy and nutrients, so the goodness gathered up in their bodies can become food for tiny drifting critters and assorted water babies. Among plankton animals, some little shrimps are fairly familiar. Other sea squirts maybe not so much at first. But plankton hold aloft Earth's ecosystems. And as if being eaten isn't enough to bear, pollution is also proving a massive burden, turning the sea sour. Man-made monstrosities don't make us high and mighty, and superior thinking only gives us a long way to fall. Still, plankton prove that being small fry doesn't make anyone insignificant. And no matter how big the problem, there are billions of wee solutions. So we sing with the whales and a great choral orchestra. From the largest to the least, we are all connected.